If you want a faster way to save articles, research, recipes, screenshots, and useful pages from the web, Evernote Web Clipper is one of the easiest browser extensions to use. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Evernote Web Clipper extension for browsers step by step, so you can capture content, organize it properly, and save it to the right notebook in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this one. First, go to the official Evernote Web Clipper page and install the extension for your browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, Evernote will usually detect your browser and give you the correct version automatically. Once the extension is installed, look at the top right area of your browser and find the Evernote elephant icon. That icon is your shortcut to clipping content from the web. Next, click the elephant icon and log in with your Evernote account. If you're not signed in yet, this step is required so the extension can save clips directly into your notebooks. After you log in, go to any web page you want to save. This could be a blog post, a news article, a product page, or even a helpful tutorial you want to revisit later. Then click the Evernote elephant icon again to open the Clipper panel. This is where the real control happens. Evernote gives you several clip types depending on what you want to save. If you want the main text and images, choose Article. If you want a cleaner version of the page with a simple layout, choose Simplified Article. If you need the page saved exactly as it appears, including headers and sidebars, use Full Page. If you just want to bookmark the page with a link and a preview, choose Bookmark. And if you need to capture a specific section of the screen, choose Screenshot. This is especially useful when you only want one part of a page and not the entire thing. After selecting the clip type, take a moment to organize your save. Use the Notebook drop-down to choose where the clip should go in Evernote. This helps keep your notes sorted by project, topic, or category. You can also add tags, which makes it much easier to search for the clip later when your notebook starts filling up. Once everything looks right, click the green Save Clip button. Evernote will process the page and send it directly into the notebook you selected. After that, you can open Evernote and view your saved clip anytime. If you're using the screenshot option, you may also get tools to highlight or annotate parts of the image before saving, which is great for visual notes, comparisons, or feedback. A helpful tip is to use article mode for long blog posts, research pages, and reading heavy content, because it removes distractions and keeps only the important information. Use Full Page when the visual layout matters, and use Bookmark when you just need a quick reference. Also, if you save content often, make a habit of tagging your clips right away. That small step can save a lot of time later when you're searching through your notes. And that's how to use the Evernote Web Clipper extension for browsers. You install it, sign in, choose the type of clip you want, organize it with notebooks and tags, and save it in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.